few years ago, my days of playing pickup basketball quickly ended when I became a father of two, and my job as a lawyer got so busy, leading my body and health to become like Luka Doncic in the bubble, but without any of his skills. I remember getting back on D and feeling my legs just collapse from under me, falling flat on my back. I could never play more than 10 minutes because I was so out of breath and energy. I was clearly not happy with my body's decline and wondered whether my love for basketball would really end in my 30s. That's when I decided I had had enough and I wanted to turn my life around so I could play and enjoy the game again. I devised an age-reversing nutrition and exercise method specifically designed for basketball dads like myself and successfully made my body 10 years younger. So if you're a dad who's currently playing and wants to find ways to get the most out of your body, or just want to get back on the court feeling younger and better, then you're going to love this channel, because it's all about teaching you how to use my age-reversing biohacking method to go from dad bod to young, healthier, fitter basketballing body again. So how did I know my body got younger? Well, I got that six-pack I always wanted at the late age of 35. I cut 13 kilograms of pure fat from my body whilst increasing my muscle to 40%, and my body's age became 10 years younger than my real age, down to 26 years old. So on the court, I felt faster, lighter, more energetic, and I could play for longer too. So imagine keeping the skills and experience of MJ in his 30s, but having a body in your 20s. This is what this is about. So in this channel, I'll be sharing my journey and how you can also use my age-reversing methods to become a younger, fitter basketballing dad. I'll also be interviewing other age-reversed, fit basketballing dads to get their tips and share their amazing stories and advice for you. No doubt I'll also be sharing all things basketball, like useful on-the-court skills and gears for basketball dads, and my ongoing journey to get better and better every day as a baller dad. So if you're interested, smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Ultimately, I believe that being a dad doesn't mean we need to sacrifice our health, fitness and passion for the game. Indeed, we should continue to grow because our mission should be to let our kids see the best version of us and our game, and for them to have the best memories of their dad, because in the end, we lead by example. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the inside.